Hey everybody, I was at a Porsche event all day, so I'm recording this really late. It's actually 2 a.m., but I have been trying to go through all the comments and I want to address two of them that I've gotten in the last 2 days. One of them is really simple. Somebody just asked, can I start saying the date of recording, or maybe they wanted the date of upload or the date that my idea is pertaining to. So today is October 3rd. It is Friday. You guys will have this before the market opens around 7 a.m. I'll upload it. I usually do that for my earnings trades. Maybe I just missed a video and it caught their attention. So I will try my best to correct that now that you guys have told me about it. The next thing I want to go over is Rezolve AI, a pump and dump. So earlier this week, I had uploaded an earnings trade on ticker RZLV, or company Rezolve AI, and a commenter has suggested that it was a pump and dump and that price did not move because investors were scared because of somebody named Fuzzy Panda had posted a short report. I don't want to go too much into detail on that. I want you guys to do your own research on that. Always be skeptical of people online. Quick pause in the video while I'm editing. It looks like I'm reading off of a script, which makes it even more awkward that I'm not. I'm just super new to this, so looking into the camera when I'm talking is kind of weird to me. I figured maybe I should go over what a pump and dump is. So you're pretty much just going to see a gradual increase of price and then an immediate sell-off, and that's where the insiders are selling or trapping other buyers at that top price so that they can get out, get their profit, drop the price, and then maybe they might buy back in, wait for price to go back up, and then do the same thing and keep on repeating it. Now, just for an eye test on ticker RZLV, I don't really see those massive sell-offs. Yes, we do see these gradual declines. We see a bull spike, and then we see another gradual decline, but price never came all the way down here. Another bullish run, gradual decline, but again, never came down here. We'll call this a bullish run. It was over 6 days. Then a gradual decline to right here. Again, it never came down this low. Then we see this massive spike up. So why do we see this spike here? I don't know all the news events that are going on around this company. They were just brought to my attention and they just now met my criteria. I have a market cap criteria. I believe they currently sit at 1.5 billion. I do not trade any company under 1 billion. So they actually met that probably around this day right here, and that's why I posted an earnings trade with them. So to me, if I see that earnings is released on this day, October 1st, and we see this bull run leading into earnings, this is just investors speculating. I can't really say that I think this is a pump and dump, at least based on the eye test. Now, if you go over that short report, maybe you guys can be more convinced of it. Again, I didn't verify any of the data, but that's something that you guys need to do on your own if this is something that you want to invest in. There's also another short report posted on Reddit, and let me get that username for you guys. I have it pulled up in a second tab over here. This was posted a year ago by user sufficient_byte3642. If you guys just Google Rezolve AI pump and dump, you can find this right here. There's actually a lot of supporters of it. If you guys go through and read some of the other commenters, I don't want to go through everything on here, but I can go over a couple of the subtitles that they have on here. So they say unusual stock price movements. I can agree. Even a year ago, yeah, a lot of unusual movement, but guys, this is a small cap stock. We're going to see a lot of unusual movement on these companies. To me, that alone does not justify being a pump and dump. The second one says heavy promotion and social media hype. Again, I'm honestly not that convinced about it. I feel like I would have seen this company a lot sooner. I'm on social media all the time, especially for my trading, and I just never even heard of the company. Right here, the third one says poor fundamentals and lack of transparency. I have not verified any of the information, so I'm not going to go over that one. That is a numbers and fact-based one. You guys should go over that and do your own research on it. The fourth one says insider selling and dilution. If this had been something that I was covering previously, or it had been on my watch list previously, I could have seen reports talking about insider selling, but because it was just now put on my watch list, I have not seen anything this week. That does not mean what that user posted is not true though. I'm just going based off of what I've seen. They write lack of institutional support. Again, verify that on your own. Sudden drop after peak. In parentheses, they put the dump. I don't really see that. Again, that was me going over the eye test. I did not see a dump off of price. We see these bull spikes, gradual decline, bull spike, decline, bull spike, decline, bull spike. I guess you guys want to call this a rapid sell-off. This is volatile movement upwards, volatile downwards, and this is leading into earnings. So this is all speculative. I don't really know if you should call this a pump and dump. They have 8 things total. The last one being overly exaggerated news and guidance. This is very speculative. This is a small cap company. Do you want to believe all the optimism surrounding their future, or do you want to be pessimistic and say, hey, most companies don't make it out of here, so I'm going to go short? Or do you want to believe in them and buy in early? It's all up to you guys. Make sure you're doing your own research on this stuff. Don't listen to people just claiming pump and dumps. And also be careful of people telling you to buy into stocks, because they could be trying to create pump and dumps. Just always be skeptical of what people post on the internet, myself included. Do your own research and always verify stuff. And so I guess I didn't really even answer the question, is Rezolve AI a pump and dump? I have no idea. Let me know what you guys think down below. Is Rezolve AI a pump and dump, or is it really just a volatile stock? Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you guys are going to enjoy this new style of content I have coming in the next 2 to 3 weeks.